met my old friend has gone talk with you because a vision was recently to let it sleep while I was asleep. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains vivid even after silence.
In restless dreams, I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone. Neath the halo of a street lamp, I turn my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stopped for the flash of a near light, the spirit split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking. Talking, speaking. People hearing without listening. Hearing, listening. People writing songs that voices never share. And no one dares disturb the sound of silence. Fool!
Said I, you do not know.
Silence like cancer grows. Hear the words that
I might teach you.
Take my arms that
I might teach you. But
my words, like silent signals fell, and echoed into wells of silence. Silence.
And the
People, bow and pray.
to the leader,
In God they believe. And the silence flashed out its warning in the words that it was forming.
and the sign said,
The words of the prophet are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whispered in the sound of silence.